Happy Halloween, everybody! Now, a lot of Halloween projects can be cute, like Frank here, but for my video this year, I went a different direction. This is my build this year. My friend dropped off this broken Halloween decoration. He said it was worth about 80 bucks and it was broken, and to see if I could try and fix it. I said sure, so I went about trying to figure out what was wrong. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be a jump scare, but well, it was already broken. After a quick off-camera fix, it's time to get down to business. First things first, I'm covering over that face. I do not want to be looking at it while I'm making these repairs. And with that done, I started looking at how the mechanism actually worked. It seems to operate on a rack and pinion system, which is spring-assisted, perhaps? There's a little motor mechanism in there with some interesting wiring, but we'll tackle that later. And the most crucial step is to record something so you know how to put it all back together. Well, a couple screws later, we found the problem. The main pinion gear here seems to have completely shattered on two sides, so let's pop it open and figure out how to make a new one. First, I'll take a photo next to a ruler, which I can then drop into Fusion 360 and figure out all the dimensions from there with a calibration tool. Then, I just took all those measurements, entered them into the Spur Gear tool, and voila, we have a printable gear. Now we just walk this over to the printer, and boom, new gear. Let's go. Now we'll just strip off the supports and see how it works. Okay, looks about right. And all together, yeah, that could work. Now I just have to throw it back together and test it out. And all we need is a quick change of music. Now here's that spring loading we noticed earlier. Okay, this is a little bit terrifying. I feel like it should be working now if it's really a sensor. Let's shake my hand a little bit. Okay. Whew. Okay, yeah, that's scary. Even if it's just from the surprise. Oh yeah, we got that nice terrifying scream. Alright. And it retracts back down. There we go. I would say this is a fixed Halloween decoration. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick and fun Halloween build. We're going to have more exciting kind of regular programming coming soon, but in the meantime, happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.